What's going on YouTube? Johnny Bubbles back with another how to clean video. Today I am going to be cleaning these Platinum 11s that are highly requested, guys. I see you guys in the comment section always asking about this shoe because that nubuck is super tricky to clean. Well, I'm here to answer all your guys' questions and show you how to get these from looking beat to crispy. So today I am going to be cleaning these up with Reshoevn8r's 4-ounce 3-brush kit, guys, and possibly use the all-purpose brush to kind of reset that little nubuck. Not sure if it's needed yet, but without further ado, guys, let's get bubbly. For this cleaning, guys, I am only going to be cleaning the, let's see here, let's go with the left shoe. I'm going to put the right one down here. Now the first step, guys, is to grab your adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to size. These are a size 10.5, so I think it's going to be about the 4th hole up. All you have to do, guys, to adjust it is clamp these together and it loosens it up. Take it up to about the 4th hole. Put them in. Nice. And what that's going to go ahead and allow me to do, guys, is apply more pressure on this toe box. And as you can see, help reshape it as well. Now the next step is remove the laces. Now that the laces are removed, guys, the next step is to grab our sneaker solution. Pour 2 small squirts into our bowl of water here. Just 1, 2, just like that. Now I am going to clean the uppers starting with the soft bristle brush. Anytime you are cleaning any delicate material such as nubuck and mesh, guys, you always want to start with the soft brush. It's also going to allow you to create more bubbles, so always do this one, all right, guys? All right, guys, so after looking at them, the nubuck uppers look really good and really clean. Now, as you can see on the mesh material, there's still some of that stained red. I don't know if it's soda or syrup or whatever got on this shoe. It's still in there. I'm gonna try to get it out with the all-purpose brush. If that doesn't work, then I will need to use a laundry system. Now, most cases, anytime I am cleaning a mesh shoe, you do wanna use a laundry system so that way it flushes it out. I'm gonna try it on this one because I don't know how well the nubuck will last inside the washer. But if it doesn't get out, unfortunately, I am gonna have to try it out. So let's go ahead and hit up that mesh upper. All right, guys, I went ahead and hit up the mesh as best as I could with that all-purpose brush. As you can see, it's still stained. I'm not even sure if that's gonna go ahead and come out even with the laundry system, but I'm gonna ignore it for now. I'm gonna move on to the midsoles and outsoles with the stiff bristle brush. So let's go ahead and clean that next. There it is, guys. I went ahead and hit the outsole with that stiff bristle brush. Now, real quick, if you still have these dead stock or you haven't really worn them too often, you want to make sure you apply a pair of sole shields. I want to point out that all in this area right here, you can see that it's starting to yellow. As you can see, the uppers, that's what the original color looked like. So it's more of like a creamy, and now it's starting to turn like a yellowish color. So if you have these brand new or you've only worn them a few times, definitely put a pair of sole shields on, guys. Now, back to the uppers. Like I mentioned, the mesh is a little stained from this pink substance. I don't know what it was, whether it be soda or syrup. So we are gonna have to put these in the washer. No big deal. I kind of want to see how this nubuck turns out. So before we go ahead and do that, I am gonna clean the laces. All right, guys, for the laces, I'm just gonna dunk them in the solution and water mixture. Make sure you get them real soapy, and then just scrub them between your hands. All right, guys, as you can see, they cleaned up really good just by dunking them in the solution and water mixture. I don't think I see any of those pink stains left over, but I'm still gonna go ahead and put them inside of the shoe for a deep wash. Now, the next step, guys, is to grab a laundry bag, which I have right here. Now you're just gonna open it up, put the shoe into the laundry bag like so, You wanna make sure you lock it up, guys. You don't want the shoes falling out during the wash. Lock it up on the other side as well. Cool, now let's go put these in the wash. Now that the Platinums are all clean, guys, we're gonna go ahead and put them in the wash. Gonna go ahead and grab our sneaker laundry detergent, loosen the cap, and squeeze about a ½ ounce. So you can see this nice little chamber here. I'm gonna hold that for you. Go ahead and just pour it in the washer. You can pour it on the shoe, it's not gonna hurt it. Close it up, turn it on. Now you're always gonna wanna do a normal cycle, cold water, guys. And that's pretty much it. Go ahead and hit start, and we'll be back in 1 hour. All right, guys, we are back. I went ahead and let these dry for about 30 minutes. Now, normally we leave them outside for at least an hour or two, but we're running short on studio time, so I didn't have enough time to let these dry. And as you can see, the nubuck is looking a little darker. That is because it's not fully dry. You can even see it right here that it's still in the drying process, but not too big of a deal. They still are looking super nice compared to the other pair. And as you can see, the mesh cleaned up good, the nubuck cleaned up really good, that midsole is nice and white again, and of course the outsoles are looking nice and crispy. And once again, guys, I was able to achieve these results with Reshoevn8r's advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and sneaker laundry detergent that is available at Reshoevn8r.com. Now, I know I started this video off in the beginning with the 4-ounce 3-brush kit, but because of this mesh material, you have to use the laundry system. No ifs, ands, or buts. But make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys, if you're not already subscribed, because you want to be following us, because we're giving away a hype shoe every single month. I'm Johnny Bubbles, and I'll see you guys next time.